In this video, we're going to be talking about the various types of automatic sanitizing systems that are available in spas today and how they impact the safety and clarity of the water in your spa. Let's talk about automatic sanitizing systems. A number of available. The most common is Ozone. It's a clarifier. You still need to use a sanitizer like chlorine or bromine or some variation of that. Most spas on the market have an Ozone clarifier on them. I won't spend too much time on that. The next most common is a UV sterilizer. Now, UV sterilization is used in water bottling plants and public swimming pools. Very good, kills hard to kill bugs. You do still need to add some form of sanitizer, once again, whether that be chlorine or some chlorine-free alternative, but you're gonna need to use a lot less, particularly if the spa is combining Ozone as a clarifier and UV as a sterilizer. My personal favorite. Next common system is the saltwater chlorinator. Now, don't be fooled. It is not salt water that's killing the bugs. It's the chlorine in the salt that's killing the bugs. So a saltwater chlorinator works by splitting the sodium and chlorine atoms within salt, freeing up the chlorine so it can sanitize the water. Nothing wrong with that, but just don't be fooled that it's a chlorine-free solution. And also, once again, check with the retailer what are the ongoing maintenance costs of that system, because whilst the salt is cheap, replacement cathodes are definitely not. So I hope this video explains how you can choose a spa that will guarantee you safe, clean water for you and your family.